I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning your data into an Excel table so additions auto-expand the range. Once done, create a named range or rely on the table's structured references. This ensures the chart stays linked to the source. Next, insert a chart directly from the table via Insert Charts and pick the appropriate type. Make sure headers are correct, so Excel assigns axis labels. By doing this early, you avoid manual range edits later, and keep the link dynamic as rows change. Now link charts across sheets or even other workbooks. If the source is on another sheet, point the series to sheet name, range, or to the table column. That keeps updates automatic. For external workbooks, the series formula includes the workbook path. Make sure the source file is accessible and ideally open while you build the link. To handle growing data, create named ranges using offset or index. Then reference that name in the chart series so the plot expands without manual edits. Finish by polishing axis scales, titles, and legend entries, and use select data to verify each series points to the correct named range or table column. Save both files when linking externally and set edit links to update automatically so viewers see current values. If the chart doesn't update, first confirm calculation is automatic and the source workbook is open. Also validate named range formulas and refresh links. If needed, reassign the series in select data to restore the live connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.